lot of people are afraid to self-promote. A lot of people feel icky. They feel gross. They feel like they're pushing this down somebody's throat, and they feel bad. They're like, I'm not going to do that. That's not me. But if you do it, you will get success. So you're sitting here like avoiding self-promotion. You're like, nope, I'm not going to do that. Nope, that makes me feel uncomfortable. Okay, well then effing don't have anyone ever listening to your show. Because if you don't believe in your show enough to tell other people about it, nobody else is going to believe in your show. You've got to take that step to go on social media, for example. And the next thing that I'll share, another tangible takeaway, is how do you do that? You're like, okay, Adam, I get it. You want me to go on social media. You proved your point. I'm failing literally because I never do that. But how do I do it? Okay, well, here's a couple of ideas. Here's a couple of things that you can do. One thing we share with all of our clients all the time is 2 different posts that they need to do before they ever launch a podcast. Now, if you've already got a show, they will still work, but this is the seeding process, this pre-launch process that makes things build in the traction. So these 2 different posts, you can do them on any social media platform that you are active on. If you're active on TikTok, do it there. If you're active on Insta, do it there. If you're active on LinkedIn, do it there. I'm active on Facebook, so that's where I do mine. So I'll just go to Facebook, and the 2 posts, one of them has something to do with the name of your podcast. The other one has something to do with the podcast artwork. Write these down because they will benefit you regardless if you've launched or not, but they will especially help you if you have not yet launched. So with the first one, I always sit down with my coaching clients who are launching a podcast. And when I say sit down, we're over Zoom because they're usually in other states or even sometimes another country. We'll sit down, them on their screen and me on my screen, and we can share screens and we write up a couple of posts. The first one is, I decided to start and launch a podcast. You start it with, I'm finally going to do it. Okay. Remember how we talk about on this podcast a lot, hook story offer. So we'll say something like, you remember how you say something like, I'm getting distracted. Here we go. You say something like, I finally decided to do it. That's your hook. That gets people to be like, do what? What is he talking about? What's she talking about? I finally decided to do it. I'm going to launch my podcast and I'm so excited, but I need your help. Okay. Human beings have a very hard time not offering suggestions, opinions, or help. There's something with us as humans that we need to help others. It's just ingrained in us. We are a very cooperative species as a whole.